To restore suspended data, we'll first need to flag it up in the index file with another case statement. So let's put in switch restore into the index file here. Revision 1302 recognizes the query string person restore and includes the file company people edit. That's because the restore doesn't need validation. It can just be executed straight away because it's the DBA that's doing it. We'll save that index file. The other one we need to update is the person SQL file, and this is a complete update, so select it all with Ctrl-A and delete it all, and paste in the snippet new FNT person and save the file. All that we've done here is put in an additional revision and a new function, restore record. You can see the one that we put in a few moments ago, suspend record, is still there, as are the other functions we've had in the past. Finally, there'll be some modifications to TP company people edit. We'll select all of that and delete it all and paste in the new version and save it with Ctrl-S. This revision is 1302. Let's have a look at what's been done in here. We've introduced another segment of code which recognizes if person restore is set. So we've set person restored is the get of the query string content. So we're simply saying person restored is true if get the query string content has the value of person restore. And if it is, then we're going to execute the function restore record in the table tperson with the ID person ID. We've also put in here if the access level is 99, then if the access level is less than 99, in other words, if the user is not the administrator, then restrict the list of people we get to where del user is null. But if the user is the administrator, access level 99, this restriction doesn't get executed, so the user will see all of the records, even those suspended. Now we've said if the del user array, if the person array of the current index with the field del user ID is empty, then the suspend link is going to be a button delete, and using the same code that we used when we clicked the delete button before. Otherwise, the suspend link is going to be the button restore. So since we're only listing suspended items for the administrator user with user level 99, those items will have a restore button, and the link will be to the person restore query string rather than person suspend. And finally, we'll put in the suspend link at the end there. That was revision 1301, which was from the previous revision. Let's now look at that in the browser. We'll log out and log in as editor. When we create our list of companies, or list our companies, and ask for a list of people, and we click delete Taylor McFly, yes, delete him, he simply disappears. Let's log out and log in as administrator and go to the same list, PyCompany, and we get a new link here, delete button, but it's not showing the restore button, and I'm sure you can guess why. If we go to our button tool and create a restore button with the label restore and a file name of button restore, let's pick a nice bland pink for the background color and a bright green for the text color, and create that button. And now go to our list of companies, and instead of just having a button link, we have a restore button there for those two records that the previous user deleted. So now Riley Goffs can be restored, and he now shows a delete button, and so can Taylor McFly. If we now log out and log in as the editor again, we'll see that they've both been restored for the editor as well. thus demonstrating the complete cycle of delete by users but restore by the administrator.